everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Flosstube. My name is Tia, and today we are back for day 2 of our 7 days of spring soiree. Last night I shared with you day 1, today is day 2, and yesterday was the socks, which I didn't finish, and then I drew the today's project, which was the rainbow cushion that I was making for the sewing demos at work. So that's the pattern there. And did I get it finished? Yes, I did. So here is the finished rainbow cushion. So, and there's the back. It's all done. Just a simple envelope back. I followed the pattern. All the hand quilting's done. When I showed it to you last night, I was up to this row, so I had 5 rows to hand quilt, and then put it all together. So it is finished. Yay! So now we are going to draw tomorrow's project. So I've got my little bowl cozy. What are we going to work on tomorrow? Let's have a look. Okay. Tomorrow is the transparent embroidery. So that's that one there. So, and this is the kit. And I'll show you where I'm up to. So there's the little floss card it came with. And whoop, what was that? No, there's the instructions. Now this is going to be hard to show because it's transparent. So how are we going to do this? There it is there. So as you can see, I've only done the first 2 stalks, and this is a beautiful sheer fabric. So this is tomorrow's project. Let's see how far we can get with this one. So thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you all again tomorrow night with an update. Thank you. Bye.